Hello students, based on matrix multiplication, we have a very important question based on 2 by 2 matrix multiplication. So we have a matrix A, 1, 0, minus 1, 7 and matrix identity matrix, corresponding identity matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, 1, 0, 0, 1 and we have to find a constant, a scalar k such that a square is equal to 8a plus k times identity matrix I2. So here some k is some non-zero scalar number. So earlier we have seen matrix multiplication with a scalar quantity. How to multiply a matrix with a scalar? We have seen that if D is a matrix, D is equal to say 1, minus 1, 2, 3. Then we can say that suppose if you want to find k times, k is some number, k times D, then we have to multiply this matrix with k. It means that according to scalar multiplication of a matrix with a scalar quantity, each and every entry of the original matrix D should be multiplied with k. Then only we will get the matrix k times D. So it is 1 into k is k, minus 1 into k is minus k, 2 into k is 2k, and 3 into k is 3k. This is the new matrix. On similar lines, we can also calculate here k times I2, 8 times a, and a square we have to calculate. We have to compute with the help of scalar multiplication. We have to with the help of matrix multiplication. So write the solution. First we will calculate a square. A square is a dot a. Therefore a square will be equal to 1, 0, minus 1, 7, 1, 0, minus 1, 7, as it is given here. 1, 0, minus 1, 7. So using matrix multiplication, let us calculate a square. A square is first row, first column element can be obtained by multiplying first row of first matrix with the first column of the second matrix using sum of products. 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1. Now first row, second column. So row elements will be same, column will be changing. 1 into 0 plus 0 into 7 plus 0. 1 into 0 plus 0 multiplied by 7. Then now we are changing the row. First row is over. Now we are going for second row. Second row, first column. Second row, first column element can be obtained by multiplying second row of first matrix with the first column of the second matrix. So minus 1 into 1 plus 7, minus 1 into 1 plus 7 into minus 1. Here we should always note that these column elements are same and horizontally row elements are same. 1, 0 is there, 1, 0, minus 1, 7. Here also minus 1, minus 1 and 0. So minus 1 into 0 plus 7 into 7. Minus 1, 7 are coming from the row and 1, 0 and 7 are coming from the column arrangements. In this way we have multiplied we have found out a square. So what is a square then? A square is 1, here it will be 0, here it will be minus 1, minus 7, that is minus 8, and here it will be 0, 49 to 49. After calculating a square, we should know that a square is actually equal to 8 times a plus k times I2. So we will, this is your left hand side. Now RHS is basically 8 times a plus k times I2. So what is h times a, h times 1 0 minus 1 7 plus k times I2 is 1 0 0 1. After calculating, we get 8 into 0 0 minus 8, 8 sevens are 56 plus k into 1, k into 0 0, k into 0 0, k into 1 k. So we know how to add two matrices of same order. So RHS is actually becoming equal to 8 plus k or k plus 8, then 0 plus 0 0, then minus 8, then k plus 56. This is equation number 2. Now as per given condition, a square is equal to 8a plus k times I2. It is given. It is given a square is equal to 8a plus k times I2. So in order to satisfy this condition, what should be the value of k? So we are going to equate equations 1 and 2. So equating 1 and 2, we get LHS is equal to RHS. So what is the value of a square? It is 1 0 minus 8 49, which is equal to k plus 8 0 minus 8 k plus 56. So this implies, using equality of matrices, we can equate any of the entry. Suppose we equate this. So 1 should be equal to k plus 8. This implies k is equal to minus 7. Even if you equate this entry, k should be equal to minus 7 because 56 minus 7 will be 49. So like this, you can always calculate the value of this. Let's go through once again. It is a square is equal to 8a plus k times I2. What should be the value of k to satisfy this condition, such that a is this, I2 is this? Then we have also seen how to multiply, what is the scalar multiplication of a matrix with a scalar quantity. Then I have taken an example. With the help of this, we have calculated a square first is a into a. Then we have multiplied a dot a. Side by side I have written the same matrix. Then I have performed the procedure of product of two matrices. First row, first column element, then first row, second column element, then second row, first column element here, then second row, second column element, like this. Then we have got this a square. After getting a square, we have calculated right hand side 8a plus k times I2, 8 times this and k times this. Then we have respectively calculated the value of k by equating both the values, and this is how we have obtained the value of k. I will send you the pic of the problem. Okay, I hope you understood. Like this, one more problem I will give it to you in the next video.